In this how-to video, you will learn how to create, redeem, and manage gift cards with Omnibasis. Gift cards are part of omniCommerce, which is the best e-commerce platform to build and grow your business with no monthly fees. Omnibasis has all you need to power your online e-commerce presence with a full-featured solution enabling anyone to set up and manage an online store, take payments, and manage orders. In this tutorial, we will create a gift card as a product, purchase it as a customer, and take it as a payment on an order. Gift cards give customers a way to support the brands they love and provide you with more cash flow. First, let us walk through the quick and easy gift card setup in the Omnibasis. Once we set up gift cards, customers will be able to purchase digital gift cards on your online store. A gift card is like a product for which get paid upfront and is used to pay for orders in the future. It contains all the related pricing rules, specific promotions rules, and any media like images, videos, documents associated with the product. Each gift card must have at least one pricing rule to define the base cost. To create different card value purchases, add pricing for each card amount, like $75, $150, $200. To create a gift card, navigate to omniCommerce, manage catalog, products and click Create from Action menu at the top right corner to create a new gift card. 1. Enter a name and a short description about the gift card. 2. Optionally you can configure other gift card identifications, like SKU brand unique identifier. 3. Use labels to help you group the gift card by different labels and search for gift cards in your store. Here you can add a label gift card to find gift cards products later with one click using labels. Next, we will upload gift card media files. Navigate to Media Files section and upload media files to showcase your gift card. Upload one or more images, videos, etc. These are shown on the detailed gift card page of your online store. Finally, we will configure gift card pricing rules. Pricing rules define rules on how you charge for a gift card and how your customer can redeem it. Each gift card is defined by one or more pricing rule associated with it. A pricing rule contains information regarding the pricing and rules, like expiration, etc. Note, if you want to support pricing rules in or more currencies, please make sure those currencies are defined before you create new pricing rule. Navigate to Pricing Rules section. Click Create to create a new rule. Click Add Price to add shared price you created before. Select Edit from drop-down option menu next to the status on the list to edit an existing rule. 1. Use Configure section to give a custom name to a price or set a status. 2. Navigate to Rules section to manage gift card rules. 3. Select gift cards for a type. 4. Set time the card expired and if any after it is issued. Some countries do not allow expiration. For example, selecting 100 days means an issued gift card will expire in 100 days. 5. Configure redemption code length. Default is 10 digits. 6. If you want to limit your card redemption to in-store only, select in-store only. Customers will not be able to redeem the gift card for online purchase. 7. If you want redemption codes in numbers and letters, turn off Generate automatically only with numbers. 8. Enter currency amount for the card purchase and select currency. Note, when gift card is issued, the redemption code is a secret and only known to the customer. You can always reset the code if it's lost. It is designed to prevent fraud and piracy of your gift cards. Optionally, you can connect your gift card sales to ledger accounts to keep account of sales and aid your business in accounting. Navigate to Sales Information and Purchase Information to enter accounting details if desired. Another option you have is to configure gift card promotions and discounts. You can choose to offer a promotion for your gift card. For example, with purchase of $100, you get $20 off or 20% off gift card purchase. Navigate to manage your gift card product and select Promotion Rules section. 1. Click Create New Promotion to add new promotion. 2. Click Edit next to promotion to edit existing promotion. There are a few simple steps to configure promotion rule. 1. In Configure section, select promotion rule type. 2. Give it a descriptive name, as it will appear on an order and an invoice. 3. Navigate to Conditions section to set up your promotion conditions. In our case, discount type is per unit, using percentage of 20% in dollars. 4. Click Save to save your work. To help customer to access their gift cards, you can connect your gift cards purchases to mobile wallets. To configure mobile wallet integration, follow these steps. Navigate to Manage Pricing Rules for your gift card. Click Edit from option menu to manage your price. Navigate to OmniPass section in Edit Pricing Rule. 1. Pick a wallet pass definition. You need to create a wallet pass before you can assign it to a pricing rule. We cover how to create a mobile wallet pass in another how-to video. 2. Map each field of the gift card information with the corresponding field defined by wallet pass. For example, for balance we map to balance at primary, where primary is a location on the mobile wallet pass. 3. Click Save when done. To publish your gift card in your store, you have a few options. You can add your gift card, like any other product, to an existing or new category in your store, or create a separate payment page to sell your gift cards. For a detailed how to create a payment, watch a separate video in How to Catalog. To add our gift card to an existing category, navigate to Categories and select desired category, like apparel. Next, we will go through a purchase of our gift card. We will navigate to a home page of our store. Select our store and find our gift card. We can select a different price for a gift card here. Please note, you can configure various gift card pricing with prices or variants. It is up to you. Click Add to Cart to purchase a gift card. Click View Cart to complete a checkout. Select Complete to enter contact information and choose form of payment. Once checkout completed, you will be presented with an invoice. An email is generated with gift card code. Customer can always navigate to their account to view the gift card. It also can be used at a time of purchase. We will navigate to My Account, /My Wallet, /Gift Cards to see a list of purchase gift cards. If customer lost an email with a gift card, he or she can request an email with a gift card code using Options menu via email or SMS. In addition, customer can request a mobile wallet pass to be used to manage gift card balance. Let us try to use our gift card to purchase something. Navigate to Home page, got to our store. Select a product and add it to the cart. As we complete a checkout, we are given an option to use our gift card as a payment. The amount of purchase will be subtracted from a gift card. We can navigate back to our gift cards list to see our gift card balance. And select View Transaction to see all transactions on this gift card. Let us review how you can manage an existing gift card. You can view, organize, and manage your issued and purchased gift cards. When gift card is purchased, a user ledger account is created with a balance on the card. A ledger account can be managed by you and a customer. If customer did not create an account at the checkout, they still have access to the card via mobile wallet or email, which was generated with a gift card code. You can also export your gift cards to a file for your reference. To view gift cards, navigate to one of the following places. 1. Navigate to OmniLedger, select User Ledgers, select Gift Cards. 2. Alternatively, you can go to omniCommerce, select Manage Orders, select Gift Cards. You can search for gift cards by code or by customer by using the Advanced filter. Filtering is useful when you are trying to find gift cards that match particular criteria. For example, you could filter by status to list all the gift cards that have been disabled. Note, after a gift card is issued, The full gift card code is visible only to the customer because gift cards are considered valuable and you do not want them to be stolen. You can see only the last 4 characters in the list of sold gift cards. But you can search by either the last 4 characters or the full code. To view gift card details, click Options drop-down next to the card and select View. From the gift card details page, you can review information about the gift card, including its remaining balance, the order number associated with the gift card, the name of the customer who ordered the gift card, and its expiration date. To view gift card transactions, click Options drop-down next to the card and select View Transactions. When a customer loses a gift card code or needs a balance update, you can email or text an updated gift card to its original customer. To email or text gift card to a customer, click Options drop-down next to the card and select Send Email or Send SMS. You can also disable a gift card. You can disable a gift card from a list of cards. 1. Navigate to a list of gift cards. 2. Click drop-down option next to the card you want to disable and select Edit. 3. Changed status to not active. 4. Click Save. You can also change the expiration date of a gift card by editing the card and selecting a new expiration date. Click Save. You can view a wallet associated with a gift card. If none is created, you can create a mobile wallet for user. 1. Navigate to a list of gift cards. 2. Click drop-down option next to the card you want to access a wallet and select Wallet Pass. 3. You will be taken to a wallet pass for this gift card. If none exist, a new one will be created. Finally, you can export your gift card products to a file. You can export your gift cards to a file to view their details in a spreadsheet. This can be useful for reviewing information about outstanding balances or for other records. You can't import the gift card file to create gift card products. 1. Navigate to a list of gift cards. 2. Filter the cards you would like export. 3. From an action menu at the top right corner select Export. For many more options available with gift cards, visit our gift cards help sections on help.omnibasis.com. There are many more features available with omniCommerce to help you grow your business, like tax collection and compliance, shipping management, return management, recurring payment processing. We will cover them in details in other how-to videos. This concludes how to create, redeem, and manage gift cards with Omnibasis. Thank you for watching Omnibasis how-to videos. To keep up to date, subscribe to our channel. If you have more questions, visit help.omnibasis.com.